It's very early December, and I'm here in one of the most beautiful counties in Georgia, Rabun County, about to hike Holcomb Creek Falls and Ammons Falls Trail. It's located here, smack dab in the middle of the Blue Ridge Mountains, a segment of the world's second oldest mountain range, the Appalachian Mountains. But this section is in the Chattahoochee National Forest, and it's going to be very interesting seeing the nature here at this time of year, the tail end of autumn. Let's go. Whoa, a beautiful region of the country. Nature here, Rabun County, stunning. I've done so many hiking trails here in the Chattahoochee National Forest. But why is it so special here in Rabun County? Well, it's actually one of the rainiest counties in Georgia and one of the rainiest counties here in the Southeast. That's because, wait, hold up. These mountains here create an orographic effect, where moist air is forced to rise over the mountains, cooling and condensing into precipitation. The abundant rainfall contributes to the lush forests, numerous waterfalls, and vibrant ecosystems that make this county a very popular place for nature lovers, or hikers, whatever you want to call it. And the first waterfall, almost right away, Ammons Falls. Roughly a 40-foot waterfall plunges into this rocky pool below. So hiking this time of year, between a transition of autumn to winter, very interesting because you get some of the crisp autumn leaves, just some, but also a lot of bald trees opened up so you can see some of the ridge lines and stuff like that. So that's pretty cool. And also some icicles here and there as well. All right, now heading down deeper into a valley surrounded by the Blue Ridge Mountains. These hikes are amazing. So how the Blue Ridge Mountains actually got their name, wait. So yeah, the Blue Ridge Mountains got their name due to the blue haze that often appears over the range. When viewed from a distance, this bluish tint is caused by a release of volatile organic compounds from the forest, particularly from trees like pines and oaks. These compounds are released into the atmosphere, where they react with sunlight and moisture. It scatters light in a way that makes the mountains appear blue. Now, while it's especially noticeable in warmer months, it's definitely noticeable year-round. Right now, it's pretty dang cold, and you can absolutely see the mountains in the background with the bluish tint. Really cool? Let's go! A very steep, fun trek on the way down. Hey, look at this tree! Old growth forest here. But shortly after, just past the evergreens, I look up, there it was. Oh my gosh, that's huge. The vastly underrated Holcomb Creek Falls. What an amazing very hidden waterfall. Barely anyone knows about it. Barely anyone comes on this trail, and it's kind of like out of a movie in a way, because it's surrounded by very lush evergreen nature. It's amazing, really. Holcomb Creek Falls is 120 feet. The upper section is a cascade and very steep, while the lower section, a sliding waterfall. Boulders down below, tucked away in nature. Once again, I am shocked by how great of a waterfall and overall hike this was when barely anyone come here. According to All Trails, it only has like 160 reviews. Yeah, the hike is way out in, out there in the remote wilderness, but I think that's better. It's not that far out there. Clayton is relatively nearby, the city Clayton. The entire hike total is 2 miles roughly, about a 500-foot elevation game. Going straight back uphill is gonna be fun. Absolutely worth it. But if you're interested in other waterfall hikes in the area, this video here, 6 different waterfalls, 5 different hiking trails. I did it all in one short winter day. See that video here? It'll give you some more cool ideas. Thank you guys for watching. Have a blessed day.